Hi, it's Paulo Haddad, and in this video I'll show you how you can read circuit data. Before we go to the video itself, I'd like to ask you, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That will help me to understand if you are enjoying the content that I'm creating. So let's go to the computer. Here what I have now, I have a new Python file and it's called read circuit data. And I have until the compile line, so I will add here print here, and basically right click, debug. What I would like to show you here is that you can go to DSS circuit type of method and get a lot of data. You can get all node names. You can get all node, it's a powerful result we're going to discuss later, but you can, the distance, bus names, you know, like, oops, just sorry about that. You know, all bus names. What I did here. Okay, all right, so all the buses, you can get like all nodes, probably we have it. Node name, so you have all of them. You know, you have a lot of options to read from the circuit. You can also use some of them to, you know, change the circuit or the circuit element that's activated. We saw before that we can use set active element, and then you have all the things that we want for that specific element under the CKT element in methods. But here we can also change, like let me show you, next element, next PC element, then you change the one that is activated. So number of buses, you know, all that. So how many buses we have in the circuit? 16. So it's very nice. You have a lot of options here. So just to let you know that I have already two things here that I will copy here that you can run this script and have it. So let me go back here, right click, debug. So you will have here bus list. Those are the buses. I just created my variable here, and also elements list. So all the elements, so you can find here all the elements, right? So basically that's all I need to show you guys in this video. Again, explore all the options you have. Don't forget that all those scripts are in my GitHub repository. All right, so again guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That'll help me to understand if you are enjoying what I'm doing. And again, thanks so much for being here with me in this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.